Hello, Mommy D here from Cook with Dionela. Today's cooking is turkey for our Christmas parties. So I have the clean turkey now here. It's already clean, washed, clean, and take out all the fats and the giblets. So in here I'm going to put olive oil. Of course, always have olive oil. So that's our turkey won't dry. So this turkey is different from the Thanksgiving turkey that I made. I had just uploaded last 2 weeks for Thanksgiving. I did not brine. I just marinate that one because there's no time to marinate. So this time I have plenty of time. So I will brine it for overnight. It's always good to brine your turkey or meat. It become more tender and juicy, and it become more flavorful because the meat will absorb all the seasoning. So there it is. I just put the olive oil, water, salt, and pepper. So I will brine this overnight. Yeah, just like this. Just submerge this turkey into the water. Then I will cover this with cling wrap. But I want the breast, so I will turn this upside down so the water can go to the breast, the seasoned water. So this way it's more flavor for your turkey, and it's juicy. It won't dry up your meat. So I will cover this with cling wrap, and I will put this in to the fridge for overnight. So I will cook this tomorrow. And here's the ingredients. I'm still using the same ingredients. You can use whatever ingredient you like. So I prefer these herbs. It really with the smell and the flavor and the smell of the kitchen with all these herbs, rosemary, the thyme, the celery. So I just take out this one from the fridge and ready to marinate. But before that I'm going to slice first all the vegetables. So big onion here. I just have this into big slices, quarter, yeah, just like this. And I will use this vegetable to put on top of the underneath of the turkey. So carrots in. I'll using carrots, big onion, celery. So I will add in my bay leaf, all the herbs, just the whole garlic, the rosemary, and the thyme. These vegetables very good to make gravy together with the turkey dripping. So I'm going to pat dry the turkey now. So make sure always dry so that it will crisp the skin later. And of course, this is the exciting part. As you can see, before anything, always make sure you have a soft butter outside. It's soft, not melted. So I have the mixture of salt and pepper and some seasoning here. So I'd like to season the butter. It's always good to season your butter before adding, and adding extra virgin olive oil. You can put more because we don't want our turkey to be dry. So this is the very interesting part. putting the turkey, the butter inside, and I'm adding chili flake in here. If you're spicy, you can add spice. You can season any season if you want. It's your choice. Anyway, this is not a cooking class. So yeah, just cook the way you like it. So I'm adding also the powdered sugar, the powder garlic powder, onion powder in here, and mix. And yeah, this is ready to go inside underneath the skin of the turkey. So this is the very interesting part, to take out the skin from the flesh of the turkey. So just take slowly using your finger, so that we can put in all the butter mixtures inside the skin. So this is how it looks like now, our seasoned butter here. So this is the interesting part. Okay, so as you can see, I'm trying to put my finger first. Make sure slowly not to break the skin, so that we can so that our butter won't overflow. Oh, there. Because the breast is, the turkey is mostly lean meat, so it tend to be dry. So to prevent this from drying your meat, always put butter inside. See, as you can see, I'm trying to pull apart the skin from the meat. So I can go in all my finger, my hands, and turn around, go to the neck. So I'm trying to put in as well. See, just like this. And there you are, you can see my finger. That's why it's always important to have a butter. If you don't want to season your butter, it's fine. My butter, I make it, I season it with salt, pepper, olive oil, lots of olive oil, because butter will burn very fast. So olive oil to help prevent the butter burn fast. And I put also the thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, the chili flakes, salt. So as you can see, now we're ready to put in. There. See, as you can see, it's easy, right? So just put in all the butter. Yeah, I like this part. Putting all the butter inside. Yes. But of course, it's kind of messy. But it's fine. Cooking is like that. Yeah, see? Into the turkey, yes. And then I will pull down the skin so that I can, yeah, there it goes. You can see the butter, right? So anyway, when cooking, it will melt through into the breast. See? It's nice. Then the rest of the butter, make sure to rub it all around the turkey, the wings, the legs, the behind, the inside. Yeah, just like this. So, turkey for Christmas. So this year, this is the second turkey that I cooked. This is early Christmas party. Because my boss, they're going to Japan for Christmas, so celebrate Christmas party earlier. So I rub all the butter outside, inside and out. So our turkey ready to the oven. So here's the tray full of the ingredients. This is, I just put this on top. As you can see, I'm going to put one lemon in there, sliced onion, sliced garlic, and the rosemary in there, and the thyme, and of course bay leaf. It's always good to have bay leaf there. The flavor and the smell. And yeah, this is add flavor later on. Then the drippings from the turkey, it will go to the vegetable as well. So that's very good to make gravy. Later on, I will make another video to how to make the gravy, so that this video won't so long. So yeah, this is ready to go inside the oven. Also, this is the neck and some giblets from the turkey that you doesn't want to eat. So I will roast that also as well, so that I can boil together. When we make it will add more flavor. So our gravy, turkey gravy, is really taste turkey, because all the drippings from this turkey and the giblets that I boiled together later on, it will make a very good gravy. So yeah, this is ready for to the oven now. Just let me wipe this one first, because as you can see, all the butter is in the tray. So just wipe up with a kitchen towel. It's very fast, it's easy to clean. And later on, this backside also will make a going to boil together with the neck and all the giblets, which is in there underneath. So our pretty turkey ready to go inside the oven. And I will put this for 30 minutes first, and then I will bring out. So after 30 minutes, this is how it looks like now. Then I will cover this with bacon, so to prevent from overcooking the breast. So but before that, I'm going to turn over first to brown the behind, as you can see. This is very fast. I cook this for 1.5 hours only, because this is 5 kg only. Unlike the first turkey that I cooked last Thanksgiving, it was 9 kg. See, it's very fast. So actually, this one's already cooked. It's already cooked. So I just put in the bacon on top. I have to put in another 10 minutes just to crispy the bacon, because the bacon also will add flavor. And yeah, that's all. This is how I cook my turkey, and maybe you can do whatever you want in your turkey. So it's fine. Cooking it's like that. It's always good to make your own. So I'm putting the bacon now, and I will put back to the oven for another 10 minutes. And then after that, after when I take out this one from the oven, I make sure to cover this turkey to make it rest. See, as you can see, I will take out let me take out the wings first. I will boil together with the vegetables, with the drippings. So that's why they always say my turkey gravy was delicious. Yeah, this is the secret. See, all the turkey drippings and the bones and the neck and the giblets just boil together later with all the ingredients. Yes, see, just like this. And I will transfer this into the serving plate so that I can cover this in aluminum. Or I will take out the butt first, and all the onion and the lemons which is inside, I will take out that also, so I can boil all together with the ingredients, with the vegetables. So that's makes a very good, very hearty and earthy and flavorful, yeah, flavorful turkey gravy. So this is how I did. So I just put everything also into the baking tray together with all the carrots, together with all the vegetables. And now I need to rest this turkey. I need to cover this with aluminum foil. I double cover this because I want the juice for the turkey so that it won't dry. So carving time. Look at that bacon. The bacon is very crispy too. And yeah, this is how I'm going to carve my turkey. Just slice. You can slice any way you want. So yeah, and tips, don't worry when your turkey is cold, because the gravy is piping hot. We can always serve hot gravy to pour in on top of this turkey. So yeah, again, this is not a cooking school. So anyway, thank you for watching and hope you like it. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and press that notification bell for my next video. So thank you very much. Merry Christmas. Advance Merry Christmas. God bless us all.